Hi, welcome to this video, which is a quick look at two things you can do with items on the model state branch of the objects panel. This branch of the tree is entirely new to Itasca software. It is a tree form representation of everything that exists in the current model state, which is data stored in the file biaxial final loose.save in this case. First, we fully expand the tree by right-clicking on the branch and choosing Expand All. Next, let's look at the right-click menu of an item from the tree. The two commands of note for this video are list in console and plot in workspace. We could perform either action right now using the menu, but we'll opt instead to see these commands in action using drag and drop from the tree. First, plotting. Simply drag an item off the tree and into the workspace window. The program always interprets this plot in workspace command as an add plot item action. If dropped onto an empty window, as here, the program will automatically create a new plot which causes a prompt for a plot name. Once the name is given, the item is plotted. Let's repeat. In this go-round, dragging will add the dragged item to the existing plot. Not everything on the tree can be plotted. If you attempt to drag an item that cannot be plotted, the cursor will indicate that the item cannot be dropped in the current mouse position. Releasing the mouse button does nothing, so there's no harm in just abandoning the drag and drop. For the third try, I'll use drag and split. Before we do that, let's review. When dragging an item off the tree, there are 5 potential targets for a drop: the center, top, right, bottom, and left of the window. The outer targets cause a split on the target window, opening a new window in the location highlighted. So, if we drag and split to the right of our existing plot, a new window opens, a new plot needs to be created in it, a prompt is provided for the name of the new plot, and once given, the plot is made and the item is added to it. All in one go. Now let's look at the list in console command. Dragging an item from the tree to the console will perform a list command for that item. Output will likely appear in a new tab. As with plotting, the cursor will indicate when this action cannot occur. Here, as I drag the same plot item over the output window, the cursor shows the drop cannot occur. This is because list in console only works when dropping onto the console tab. It will not function over the Python, fish global symbols, state record tab, or any previous list command output. To conclude this video, let's go back to the right-click menu for a second and look at one more thing. All items on the tree provide a help option, and using it will open the documentation to a topic on the selected item. This may be of assistance while users explore the model state branch and begin to formulate their preferred ways of using it. That will do it for this video. Thanks for joining. We'll see you in the next one.